So what is i-theocracy, i-aristocracy, i-autocracy, also known as i-dictatorship, ne-democracy? So firstly, zonke lezi zinto lezi labocracy laba are all forms of government. These are ways of running a country, yabo. So i-theocracy is a country ran by ama-religious leaders, yabo, and we follow a religious law. The religious law is the law of the country. Most of our country are under Islam are ama-theocracy, yabo. So ku-theocratical country, if masithi iBhayibheli or iQuran or whatever religion esifollowayo ithi akumelanga sitshontshe, kusho ukuthi umthetho we-country in the constitution izothi we must not steal, yabo. If i-religious book yethu, whatever religious book esiyisebenzisayo ithi akumelanga siqambe amanga, then umthetho we-country uzothi akumelanga siqambe amanga. If i-religious book yethu ithi umuntu otshontshayo umuntu oqamba amanga simshaya ngamatshe, kusho umthetho we-country uzothi umuntu otshontshayo umuntu oqamba amanga simshaya ngamatshe. So i-theocracy is a country ran by ideology, is a country ran by religion. So ama-religious leaders yibo, they are the mouthpiece of God. Like yonke into efuna ukushiwo uNkulunkulu uzoyisho through ama-religious leaders wethu, and ama-religious leaders wethu aphenduka ama-president wethu. Umfundisi uye i-president. So i-aristocracy is a country ran by the privileged or the best, yabo. So i-aristocracy is a country ran by the small elite class, yabo. Abo-doctor, abo-lawyer, ama-lawyer, amanesi, abo-teacher, like the small elite class is they are privileged, yabo. Even despite ukuthi babo-doctor, bama-lawyer, babo-teacher, even being born, maybe Umntana kaMandela, for example, falls part of the ruling class under an aristocratic class, yabo. So abo-doctor nama-lawyer nabo-teacher yibo abantu abazodecide ukuthi i-country iya kuphi, yabo. Abo-doctor, ama-lawyer, abo-teacher, amanesi yibo abantu abazovota, thina the rest asivoti asenzi next, yabo. Siyalandela nje thina umthetho, yabo. So i-autocracy is a country ran by umuntu oyi-one. Auto means one. Is a country ran by an individual, also known as the dictatorship. So this individual decides ukuthi la kule country le asitshontshi, decides ukuthi kule country le uthini umthetho, sijampa like an individual decides everything pertaining everything, decides ukuthi abobani abashadayo, maybe ama-homosexuals or ama-heterosexuals bazokwazi ukushada, yes or no, decides ukuthi like people can have ama-abortion or not, like lo muntu lo decide yonke, decides ukuthi si-investa kuphi, decides ukuthi abobani abangani bethu, abobani ama-enemy wethu, and uye kuphela o-decidayo, asivoti asenzi next, yabo. Then or an example of i-country aristocracy, an aristocratic country is medieval Europe, yabo. Abo-England nabo-France used to be ama-aristocratic states, yabo. Then an example of i-autocracy was i-Libya, ran by Gaddafi, was i-China led by Mao Zedong, and was i-USSR led by Joseph Stalin, yabo. So what is i-democracy? So i-democracy is when the people govern, yabo. Thina abantu we decide ukuthi ubani uzosileader, we decide ukuthi ubani ozoba umngani wethu via ama-foreign relations, like is when thina abantu we decide ukuthi the direction the country will take based on our votes, yabo. So an example of a country democracy is South Africa, is America, is France, is England, yabo. So yeah, these are all forms of government.